Good morning, grade 4 pupils. I'm Sharmel Jerome, Jean Codemus from San Miguel Heights Elementary School, your teacher for today. Once again, let's get started because I'm happy to share to you another interesting lesson in mathematics. So make sure you have your learning packets with you, your notebook and a pen for taking down notes. Use the comment section if you have questions about my discussion. We are now on quarter 4, week 2 of most essential learning competencies. Do you remember how to solve word problem? How about word problems involving square, rectangle, triangles, parallelogram, and trapezoid? Because for today's lesson, you must perform and master these learning competencies. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve routine and non-routine problems involving square, rectangle, triangles, parallelogram, and trapezoids. Let us start our lesson in a challenge. You need to try to solve the area of the following for 1 minute. Your time starts now. Now, let us answer each of the number. Number 1, let A be the area. Let S be the side. Let L be the length. And let W be the width. So number 1, the side of the square is 3 centimeter. So A equals S times S. A equals 3 centimeter times 3 centimeter equals A equals 9 centimeter squared. Number 2, the length of this rectangle is 7 centimeter and the width is 3 centimeter. So 7 centimeter times 3 centimeter is equal to 21 centimeter squared. For number 3, let B be the base and let H be the height. A equals B times height. So the base of this parallelogram is 8 centimeter, while the height of this parallelogram is 5 centimeter. So the area will be 40 centimeters squared. Number 4, the base of this triangle is 4 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter. So multiply those two measurements, we will get 24 centimeters squared. Then divide 24 centimeters squared to 2. And the answer is 12 centimeters squared. Last but not the least is this trapezoid. So again, let B be the base, height will be, H will be equal to height, and A will be the area. The base 1 is 6 centimeter, the base 2 is 8 centimeter, and the height is 7 centimeter. So 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter is equal to 14 centimeter. Then multiply to 7 centimeter is equal to 98 centimeters squared. Then divided by 2, the area is equal to 49 centimeters squared. Now, what can you say about these two pictures? Which of these two is more beautiful to look at? Yes, more trees are better. Did you know that one of the effects of illegal logging, just like the second picture, is soil erosion? To prevent this, some of non-government organizations is continuing their campaign to plant trees across the planet. One way to prevent soil erosion is to plant carabao grass in open space to preserve topsoil. So, a trapezoidal lawn has an upper base of 14 meters and a lower base of 28 meters. The distance between the parallel base is 8 meters. If the lawn is to be planted with carabao grass, how many square meters of carabao grass will be needed? To answer this word problem, we need to follow the steps in solving word problem. Again, the first step is to understand the problem. To understand the problem, we need to know what is asked or the unknown. This is usually the question in the last sentence of the word problem. In this word problem, the unknown is the number of square meter of carabao grass needed for the lawn to be planted. Now, we also need to know the given facts. These are the numbers which we will use to get the final answer. In the problem, the given facts were the upper base of 14 meters, lower base of 28 meters, and the distance between the parallel bases, which is 8 meters. The second step in solving word problem is to plan for the word problem. We need to determine the formula to solve the problem. The shape of the lawn is trapezoid. So we need to find the formula for finding the area of the trapezoid, which is A equals, or let A be the area. So A equals B1 plus B2, then multiply by height, then divided by 2. So, the next step is to solve using the suggested formula. Base 1 is 14 meters, and base 2 is 28 meters. So, add them together, we get 42 meters. Then, multiply 42 meters by 8 meters, that is, or we can also divide 42 meters by 2, which is, we will get 21 meters, then multiply to height, which is 8 meters. The answer is 168 meters squared. So last but not the least is to state the final answer. The final answer is 168 meters squared of carabao grass is needed if the lawn is to be planted with carabao grass. So let's have another problem. Imelda wants a new carpet for her rectangular dining room. Her dining room has a length of 12 meters and a width of 9 meters. What will be the area of her carpet that covers her entire dining room? So again, let's follow the step in solving word problem. First is to understand, let's answer, or let's find what is asked or the unknown. The unknown in this word problem, or what is asked, is the area of her carpet that covers her entire dining room. While the given facts were the length of 12 meters and a width of 9 meters. To plan, we need to find the formula that is needed to solve this problem. The formula will be A equals L times W. So again, where L equals length and W will be width. So let's solve this problem for our next step. The length is 12 meters multiplied by its width, which is 9 meters. The area will be 108 meters squared or square meter. And state the final answer. The area of her carpet that covers her entire dining room is 108 meters squared. So let's have our third problem. A triangular pond has a base of 10 meters and height of 6 meters. What is the area of the pond? So again, let's follow the steps in solving word problem. Understand what is asked or unknown. The area of the pond. What are the given facts? 10 meters equals base of the pond. 6 meters equals height of the pond. Plan. Because the shape of the pond is triangle, this will be the formula. A equals B times height divided by 2. Let us solve this problem. So 10 meters, which is the base, times 6 meters, which is the height, then divided by 2. So 6 meters squared divided by 2 is 30 meters squared. So the final answer will be the area of the pond is 30 meters squared. So for your first activity, let us read and analyze the word problem and use the steps that we studied. A parking lot is constructed in the shape of parallelogram. What is the area of the parking lot if the base is 60 meters and the distance between the parallel base is 36 meters? So, I will be giving you just 5 seconds to solve what is asked. Your 5 seconds starts now. So, what is asked or the unknown in this problem is the area of the parking lot. Next, I will be giving you another 5 seconds to find the given facts in this problem. Your 5 seconds starts now. The given facts in this problem are the base of the parking lot, which is 60 meters, and the distance between the parallel base, which is 36 meters. Plan. Another 5 seconds to write the formula. Your 5 seconds starts now. So the formula, because the shape of the parking lot is parallelogram, the formula will be this simple formula, which is A equals base times height. So let us solve the word problem. So I will be giving you 15 seconds to solve this word problem. Your time starts now. To solve this word problem, we need to use the suggested formula. The suggested formula is A equals base times height, or area equals base times height. The base is 60 meters and the height is 36 meters. So the product is, or the area is 2,160 meters squared or square meter. The area of the parking lot is 2,160 square meter. For your second activity, solve each of the following problem using your own strategy, or you may use the steps that we discussed earlier. This time, I will be giving you 30 seconds to solve each of the problem. So, problem number 1. The side of the square is 5 centimeters. The side is double. How many times the area of the new square bigger? Your time starts now. Let us solve this problem by drawing an illustration. So let us draw the first square, which has a side of 5 centimeters, and the second square, which has a side of 10 centimeters. So let's find the area of each of the square. 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter, 25 centimeter squared. That is the area of the first square. How about the area of the second square? 10 centimeter times 10 centimeter. The area of the second square is 100 centimeters squared. So to find how many times the area of the new square bigger than the area of the first square, we need to divide 100 centimeters squared to 25 centimeters squared. Therefore, the area of the new square is 4 times bigger than the area of the first square, because 100 centimeters squared divided by 25 centimeters squared is equal to 4. Number 2. The residential lot is in shape of parallelogram. Its base measures 24 meters and the distance between the parallel bases is 20 meters. What is the area of the lot? Your time starts now. Again, we can solve this problem by drawing an illustration. The shape of the residential lot is parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram, we need to find the measurement of the distance between the parallel bases, which is the height, 20 meters. And the base measures 24 meters. The formula to finding the area of a parallelogram is A, area equals base times height. So 24 centimeter times 20 centimeter is equal to 480 centimeters squared, or 480 square centimeter. The area of the lot is 480 centimeters squared. For our third problem, Elsa bought 16 decimeter by 18 decimeter of cloth. She divided it diagonally. What is the area of the triangular of each of the triangular cloth? Your time starts now. So let's try to draw a cloth. So the cloth is in the measure of a rectangle. So let us divide it diagonally. So we have two triangles. So to find the area of each of the triangular cloth, we need to find the area of a triangle. To find the area of a triangle, we need to find its height and base. The height is 16 decimeter and the base is 18 decimeter. So this is the formula. A equals base times height divided by 2. So 18 decimeter times 16 decimeter is 288 decimeter. Divided by 2 is 144 decimeter. So the area of each triangular cloth is 144 decimeter squared. Now, let us remember, to solve routine and non-routine problems, you need to follow the steps or use your own strategies. The steps are, first, understand. Know what is asked in the problem and know what are the given facts. Second is to plan. Know the operation to be used, provide the number sentence, or in this case, you need to find the formula for each of the shape. Second or third is to solve. Solve using the suggested operation or formula. Last but not the least is to state the final answer. Now, let's go to your question and answer. I will answer your question about my discussion. You may type it on the comment section and I will wait for it. So, we have our first question. The question is, how do we know the formula that we are going to use? So, to find the formula that you need to use, you need to find some word clues from the word problem, which is usually you need to find the shape of the figure. It will help you determine the formula to be used. Okay, for our second question, can we not follow the steps in solving a problem? Again, just like what I said earlier, you can use your own strategies to solve the problem. But the steps is guide for you to solve the problem. You may use your own strategies or follow the steps as long as you get the correct answer. For your assignment or home learning task, you need to answer the assessment on page 7 to 8 of your learning packet for mathematics fourth grading. Your teacher will check if your answers are correct. Once again, I'm Charmel Jerome G. Nicodemus, your mathematics FB Live streaming teacher for the day, giving you this message. A problem well stated is a problem half solved by Charles Kettering. Thank you for listening to our discussion.